Hi, this is Eric Schoening with the National Weather Service in Salt Lake City. This is a short briefing about a winter storm that will move into Utah on Tuesday. The two main impacts we're expecting with this storm are snowfall across much of the state and much colder temperatures. This snowfall will impact travel across pretty much all of Utah, and we'll give you the details about where we're expecting the worst impacts. The storm will also usher in the coldest temperatures of the season so far, and it will feel like the middle of winter through the rest of the week. First, we'll tell you about the snow amounts we're expecting, and then we'll move on to the road impacts. You can see that we're expecting lighter amounts of snow in far northern Utah and southwest Wyoming. The cold front will begin to strengthen around the time that it moves through the Salt Lake Valley, which will result in the highest snow accumulation totals in Utah Valley, central Utah, and southern Utah. The mountains will also receive a fair amount of snow, generally 1 to 2 feet in all mountains south of Interstate 80. We'll talk about the road impacts in northern Utah, and then move on to southern Utah. In the far north, roads will mostly be impacted with road snow overnight Monday into early Tuesday morning, and major routes should generally be cleared up by the Tuesday morning commute. In the Salt Lake Valley, we're expecting road slush beginning around midnight, and then the potential for road slush will continue into both commutes on Tuesday. And finally, in Utah Valley, the higher elevations of Interstate 80, and in northeastern Utah, we're expecting snow to accumulate on the roads for Tuesday morning and Tuesday afternoon. This will lead to hazardous travel for both the morning and afternoon commutes. Once the sun sets on Tuesday, temperatures will be cold enough that any snow that falls will stick to the roads in all locations. In central and southern Utah, widespread road snow is expected. We're expecting very difficult travel in central and southern Utah Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday morning, especially along Interstate 15 from Spanish Fork to Cedar City, and along most of Interstate 70 in the state. This snowfall will also impact most other roads in this portion of the state, including all mountain passes. More intermittent impacts from snow are expected as you head further east, including cities such as Hanksville and Green River. Once you get into the lower elevations in far southern Utah, little to no weather-related travel impacts are expected. So, in summary, we're expecting a strong cold front to move through Utah tonight through Wednesday morning. Northern Utah will start seeing snow overnight into early Tuesday morning, while southern Utah will start to see impacts Tuesday afternoon and evening. Accumulating snowfall will be heavy and will impact travel. Along the Wasatch Front, expect slush in the Salt Lake Valley for the Tuesday commutes, and accumulating road snow with more significant impacts in the Utah Valley. The worst impacts will be in central and southern Utah, and travel will be quite hazardous in these areas, Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday morning. Finally, this storm will also bring much colder temperatures for the state through the rest of the week, with most highs staying below freezing heading into the weekend. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email. You can also like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.